Sweet Jamaica. If you love Jamaica, let me see your hand. Raise it to the sky and let me see your hand. If you love Jamaica, let me see your hand.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Wagwan, what's going on? So in today's YardieKitchen, I am going to do ITAL stew. I haven't done a cooking or a food video in a while, so I decided to say, you know what, let's open this up back the year. Actually, this is the first food cooking I'm doing the start of the year, so I open it up back with something ITAL, something good for your body, you know what I mean? So I kind of change certain things what I eat, so I decided to I'm gonna do this video based on what I've been changing. So I kind of take out a little bit more meat out of my diet and I implement a lot more veggie and a lot more food, not meat type of thing. So today I'm gonna make ITAL stew without meat. Well, ITAL stew is without meat. I'm not even know I want to make. But yes, so in the YardieKitchen today I'm gonna make ITAL stew. So I have all of the ingredients I'm gonna use here. And listen, me no measure nothing, so I'm sorry. I am so sorry that me now go up on a measurement, me just do my thing. Especially we Jamaican, we don't really measure nothing. What I say, I look with that, I look with that, and look with that, you know what I mean? So yes, let me tell you what I have on the plate before we go any further. So I have potato, Irish potato, green pepper, so I have some carrot, I have some thyme, I have a scotch bonnet pepper. It's a good thing to have, especially when you're doing this. Make sure you have a scotch bonnet pepper, you see me? And I have some green onion, which we call it scallion, behind here. And then I have some white onion beside it. And I have some pumpkin. And I have some celery. I have some celery here as well. And in the middle, you probably can't see it, but in the middle, yeah, you can see it. I have some pimento seed to go with it as well. Over here into this small bowl I have some garlic and some ginger. I'll probably not use all of this ginger and not all of this garlic, but I have some garlic and ginger. And you're definitely going to need some coconut milk. So this is equal to about 1 can of coconut milk. For coconut milk, make sure you're checking where some of those things are coming from and you're checking the ingredients, because I have come across certain coconut milk into the can and them have, when you look on the ingredients, them have coconut milk concentrate, coconut milk, some big words that I can't even pronounce. So I mean, no say those things are not supposed to be in a coconut milk. So make sure you're checking your coconut milk when you're buying them, not because they're on sale you just jump up and buy, which I am guilty of that, me used to do as well. But make sure you check the coconut milk you buy. If to be on the safe bet, go for your organic one. You can check the ingredients and you will see that you will have natural, I don't think it's say natural coconut, but we say coconut, we show you the ingredients, right? And the main ingredient we know so we need to make the ITAL stew over here is the red peas. So I have the red peas here, and this is how much? Almost about 4.5 cup of red peas, that is. And what I do, I always buy 1 pack of red peas, red beans, whichever you want to call it. And what I do is I boil it with garlic and make it cool down, like boil it till it's tender and let it cool down, and then I package them into Ziploc bag and put them in the freezer. So whenever I need it, either for Sunday, in the week, or whenever, I'll just take them out and defrost them and good to go, and that's it. I don't have to worry about it. So that's what I may have some Maggi season up. Don't watch the label. It says chicken on here, but it's not chicken seasoning into this. We Jamaican people know how this thing roll. Not because it have chicken upon the label means that a chicken seasoning in there. It's actually, yeah, all seasoning into this one, all season. So it's not chicken seasoning into it. My mom had a big container of all season, and she decided to generously give me some of the all-purpose seasoning, so I just put it into the chicken container. So yes, so there's no chicken into this, just all-purpose seasoning. And we probably add a little bit of salt in there as well. Let me fix what this thing here is. We'll probably add a little bit of salt in there as well, just to taste it up. We'll see. As I go, I'll taste. And that's about it. There's no meat going into this, guys, and it's really, really good. I'm gonna do spinners into it as well, so little small dumplings. I'm gonna put into it as well, and you will see it look just like stew peas. Just stew peas when they normally put the corned beef in and the pig's tail into. Let's get started. Okay, guys, so the first thing that I'm gonna put into the pot, I put a little bit of water in here because we don't want to make it dry out. So the first thing I'm gonna put into the pot is the red peas. I'm gonna put all of it, and then I'm gonna put some water, about, as I said, I really do measuring, but I'm gonna put about 1.5 cup of water. And with that, I'm just gonna put in a piece of my ginger and about 3 cloves of garlic. That's what I'm saying. Clove, yeah. About 3 cloves of garlic. And with that now, I'm gonna let the ginger and the garlic boil into the peas for about 5 minutes. So I'm gonna turn it on high if you just make it boil up fast. Okay, guys, now that I'm gonna let it boil up for a bit, I'm gonna put in the hardest stuff to boil, which is the pumpkin and the carrot, and add a little bit more water. So I got a little bit more water because I want it to boil. Okay, so this is how it looks after the pumpkin and the carrot have been boiling for a little bit, probably about 5-6 minutes. We leave it boil. So now I'm gonna put everything else in there, otherwise from the pepper. Probably don't put the pepper into it. Then I'm gonna put the coconut milk in there as well. Put the time aside. So I'm just gonna put everything in there now. Potato, everything. Mix it around. But I'm gonna put the coconut milk in now. So we just put a little bit of water on this, so just in case when it's going down, if I need any more water, then I'll add it to it. So what's gonna happen now, it's a lot right now, but it's gonna boil down again. So it's gonna boil down, everything's supposed to get tender inside. When it halfway boiled down, I put in pepper and thyme into it as well. I also have some rice steaming as well to go with this. Let it boil down a bit. And the fire is not on high, it's on medium. Just let it simmer. Okay guys, so now it's time for the spinners to go in. So the dumpling I made was just a little bit of salt, flour and some water. You just make the dough. I'm just gonna make spinners. We're not gonna make any big spinners either. Just take a little piece. Probably want to make it bigger than this. And just spin it in your hand. That's about it. And we just drop it into the soup and let it cook down. And that's it. You do it until pretty much all of the dough is finished. And then you just let it cook down into the stew. Okay guys, so it's all finished now. My battery died, so I couldn't show you the ending of it. But anyway, after the spinners went in, that's about it. You just let the spinners cook down and let the, I was gonna say gravy, let it just cook down for a bit. So this is how it look. So we can zoom in to show you guys. So that's how it look. The peas them a little bit, what I'm gonna do something different next time is don't cook the peas that long, because I already cook it and you will have a lot more full peas than half a peas or crushed out peas into it. But you have a carrot in there, your celery, everything in there same way, and the only difference is with the stew peas you don't have any meat. And may I tell you, I taste it and I don't miss the meat out of it, and you just have a nice white rice, side of white rice to go with it. So oh my gosh, I can't even, my mouth of water right now just talking to you. So that's how it look. We have the spinners into the potato and stuff like that, and no meat, just a little bit of seasoning, the kind of seasoning to give it a little kick, and you're good to go without the meat. So some of these food we can implement the no meat thing or change up the style of how we cook certain things to kind of avoid from using meat. So that's it. This is how I make my ITAL stew, vegetarian stew peas. This is how I make it. If you like it, please thumbs up the video. Also comment down below if you ever tried making it before, or if you want to, just let me know. Okay, so that's it guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, comment down below, let me know if you would like to try this or if you have ever tried this making ITAL stew before. Also, thank you again for watching. Thank you for sticking with me. Thank you so much. See you in my other video. I'm out later.